Hey everyone, this is my Sailor Galaxia makeup tutorial using the Sailor Moon and Colourpop makeup collection. With a fluffy brush, start out by brushing your brow bone with a flesh tone color. With a flat brush, take the shade Shining Moon and highlight the topmost part of your brow. Then take a fluffy brush and blend it out. Then take the shade Moon Castle and place it just over your crease. This will be your transition color. Then with the flat brush, take the shade Luna and pack it on the inner and outer third of your eyelid, leaving a space in the middle. With the same brush, take the shade Full Moon and pack it onto the center of your eyelid. Go back with your fluffy brush and bring the shade Luna up towards the crease area. Do the same with the shade Full Moon. Take a short stiff brush and take the shade Luna and mimic the color pattern on your lower eyelid. Then do the same with the shade Full Moon. Then with a small eyeliner brush, take the shade Silver Millennium and place it on the inner corner of your eyelid. Then with a black pencil eyeliner, line your upper and lower waterline. Contour your cheeks with your favorite bronzer. Then use the blush shade Cat's Eye on the apples of your cheeks. And place the ultra glossy lip gloss in the shade Moon Tiara on your lips. Put on eyelash inserts and your Sailor Galaxia look is complete. Thanks for watching. If you like this look, please support me by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Take care.